I went a little bonkers at the Japanese pharmacy today. It's my first time in Japan, so surreal seeing all my favorite J Beauty in stores. So I want to show you guys a few things that I got. Starting off with the Saborino face mask. I love these masks. These are one-time use. It comes out like tissue paper, and this is a vitamin A one that I've never tried, so I had to get this one. I got some thermo. Japanese people have like the best thermo warmers, so I want to carry like my bone brows and tea elixirs in this. The best eyeliner ever. I got like 2 of these. This rice mask, we make our rice mask home, but for convenience I wanted to try this one because Japanese rice is also some of the best. Lash serum. I got a lash lift today, Japanese style. Look at how gorgeous this is. Unrelated, but I also got some random kitchen gadgets. I saw this on TikTok. Can make face powder. I have so many face powders. Don't ask me why I needed it. Another hair oil. I heard this is really good. What else? I just want to show you guys one last thing. Apparently this is a really good hair care brand, just as good as Shiseido. So I got a small hair treatment and of course the Hada Labo.